Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic transitions in VN Video Editor. So if you want to make your edits look seamless and cinematic, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create smooth transition in VN to give your videos that professional touch. So first, you can just open the VN app and tap on the plus icon, tap on your project and open your video in VN. So in here, I'm going to just add the first one, tap on next. After you add the main video, you can tap on this PIP and choose photos and add an overlay video. Okay, now adjust the size. You can just zoom in like this to fit the whole screen. And now you can click on motion, swipe and choose gradient like this. Click on a check icon, and now still on the overlay video, swipe on the options in here, click on mask, then select mirror. Now you can just rotate adjust the size like this, just the masking, like this, and here move forward a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go here, add a keyframe at the start and then move forward this one for example, and then reveal the video by changing or dragging the masking like this. As you guys can see, another keyframe will automatically add it on the timeline, so just drag it until the whole video is revealed. Click on a check icon and now you can see the result. So this is the cinematic smooth transition for your clips. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this will be helpful for your next edit, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Because with this video editor, VN video editor tricks, your videos will stand out with high quality for pro level edits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!